Welcome friends, welcome to the lecture series of Basic Electrical Engineering. In today's session, we are going to discuss about star to delta transformation. So let's understand how it can be converted. So friends, in this, as you can see, there is a star connected network and that star connected network need to be converted into the delta connected network. So if you recall the delta to star transformation, then these are the basic results that we are getting into the particular delta to star transformation. So multiplying the equation 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 1, we can get R1 into R2 is equals to R12 square into R23 into R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 whole square. Now that is the basic thing that you can do it at your own, and this process need to be carried out on all the equations like 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 1. So as you can carry out this process on the remaining equations, then you will get this kind of results, okay, that we have mentioned for equation 4, 5 and 6. Now what we are doing adding the equations, whatever the equations that are we getting over here, we are just adding that equations. हम तीनों equations को क्या कर रहे हैं, add कर रहे हैं. So as you can see, R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1. So all of you can add up this whole values, and you can see that denominator terms are same in all the three equations. We just need to add up the upper part, that is in the uh, form of R12 square into R23 into R31 plus R12 into R23 whole square plus R31 into R31. Here it will be in multiplication, R31 plus R12 into R23 plus R31 whole square divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 whole square. So if we can simplify this, then we will get this kind of equation, that is equation number 7. We have just check out that if there are any common terms as possible in this or not, and we will get this common term at the outside. So from that equation, you can see that this one is cancelled out with the denominator term. So the final result will be like this way. Now for the equation 7, it can be written as first, as we can see that in this term, if we check that R12 need to be taken out and the rest of the terms, what it will suggest, then you can see that this one, the term will be nothing but the R23 into R31, that is R3 term. So basically what we are going to do, we are taking out one by one, and remaining terms will be suggested from the equation 1, 2 and 3. So as you can see that here R3 is there, this term is nothing but the R3, so R12 multiplied by R3. Now we are finding about R12. What is the exact term of R12? So just if you check that R3 goes into the denominator term over here. So as you can see, if we bring this R3 into the denominator term, then the result will be like this way. So we will get the R12 value. What will be the R12 value that can be written over here? You can easily find out that if you bring this R3 term at the denominator, then it will be cancelled out. Okay. It will be cancelled out with this R3 and this R3. So basically, so R1 plus R2 plus R1 into R2 divided by R3 is equals to R12. For R23 term, we are taking out R23, and rest of the values can be denoted as R1, as we have the delta to star transformation result. So if we divide this term with the R1, then we will get the R2 plus R3 plus R2 into R3 divided by R1 is equals to R23. So it will be called as equation 9. This one is equation 8. And for the R31, it will be same. R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1 equals to R31 multiplied by R12 into R23 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. So basically in this we will take out the R31 multiplied by R2 as this term is denoting the R2 as we have already written over here. So this way the complete thing can be understood, and here you can see that the star to delta can be converted. This one was my basic star, and then we have converted that into the delta. Okay, so this way the complete star to delta transformation can be possible. So if you need to remember these equations, so just whenever you are referring to the transformation from star to delta, then you will be able to find out that how it can be done. Okay, I hope all of you must be clear with the idea. If you have gained some of the knowledge from this video, then do like, share, and if you want to see more this kind of videos, then you should definitely subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video.